I'm winging it. This isn't scripted. Okay, these videos are always super fun for me. You saw the thumbnail. I'm reviewing my first Terence Hughes fragrance, Maverick. Straight blind buy. I went off other reviewers and a little bit of Fragrantica research. I'm actually really looking forward to this one, to be 100% honest with you. Thank you for taking the time to come to my channel and listen to this actual review. If you're getting any benefit out of this, please do subscribe. Let's get right into it, all right? Live. I bought this on Max Aroma for around $100. That price itself is actually super dope. Let's take a look. Okay. Okay, look at this presentation. I like this. This is nice. The 50 ml. I really like that up top. Took his time. This is a nice presentation. From the beginning, I will definitely say that. Okay, the bottle's nice and heavy, sleek. This is actually portable. Again, the 50 ml. I really like the presentation of this bottle. I'm going to be 100% honest with you here. Let's get to spraying. I want to get right to it. See what we got. Atomizer is hitting. Okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah. If this stays anything close to what initially just came out of this bottle right here, this is a win already. So I do know that there's basically some type of plum accord in this fragrance. I think it's some lemon, bergamot, vanilla, patchouli. This is good. Oh, I like this. Isn't it a wonderful feeling when you actually blind buy something, or even the first time you smell a fragrance and you actually like it? Man, that is. Oh, this is definitely going to stay in the rotation. The feeling I have when I smelled this right here, it doesn't smell like this, but when I knew I was going to have to keep this in my actual rotation, was Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. The first time I smelled that, I had the same feeling. Oh, this could be office. This could actually be date. This is non-offensive, but it smells really good. That tongue, if this is what plum smells like, and this is my first one, I'm going to have to keep researching. Oh, this is a good one. Yeah, he's winning with this. Terence Hughes Maverick. I like the bottle. Again, for $100, I bought this at Max Aroma. I don't really think that was a sale too. If it is, I'll correct myself in the comments. But I think that's what the going price is going for this fragrance. This is great for $100. This is a win. Absolute win. And I'm going to be honest with you. I feel like this is blind buy worthy. Yes, I said it. Blind buy worthy. So I'm waiting on two more of Terence Hughes' fragrance to arrive in the mail. That's Onyx and Guapo. Again, I did not do a discovery set. I thought about doing it, but I wanted to control what it was that I actually received. I didn't think that you could really do that from what I saw, so I decided to jump out the window and just go ahead and pay. But this right here is excellent. This is, to me, this is a 9 out of 10. And that's saying a lot for me. Terence Hughes, this is, if any of these other fragrances smell close to this, yeah, man, he's doing his thing. Shout out to you, Terence Hughes. Man, you can take this anywhere. This is date night. This is the gym. This is not offending anybody in the office, actually. And again, for that price, you can't beat it. Check it out. Terence Hughes Maverick. Thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.